Hi guys, in this video we learn what the builder button and why we use the builder button. If you like this series, please subscribe for my channel. We come to intent of builder button. Builder button is a rational design button that lets you construct complete object step by step. The button allows you to produce different type and representation of an object using the same construction code. Now you will ask the question, why use the builder button? Imagine you need to instantiate a highly complex object that requires a lot of input parameters. Here I take an example to initialize a smartphone. To construct the smartphone, you need to OS, battery, screen size, camera, and many more components. As usual, you will create an object and initialize a constructor for all the necessary parameters. You can see it too long, too complicated. Sometimes you cannot understand all the input parameters. A symbol to solve this problem is to create a more constructor, but it will make the object confusing and basically a lot of work. The best way here to use the builder button. The builder button helps delay filling the object information and dynamically create all the representation of the product. Coming to the builder structure, we will have the following. We have a top-notch interface, that means generic method that initialize the product property. The return value of the method is a builder following the control builder that inherit from the builder and initialize the product object. That's it. Next, the process of implement the builder for the phone exam.